Okay, so welcome back again. The transfer finished without any problems. Let's see, we did 867 megabytes, 698 seconds, so roughly, 1.2 megabytes a second. I'd say that's not too bad for a system made in 1992. So we're done with FTP. Let's see here, how much free space do we have left? We have, we're only using 24% of that drive, so we should be okay. Listing there, yep. Okay, so I said earlier that I was going to try to do a tape backup of the thing as well. So again, I'm going to use SMIT on this. I'm also going to use the HP tape drive. I have a DDS. It's not even a numbered DDS cartridge. I don't think it's ever been used. I put a cleaning tape in here earlier, and man, this tape drive is making the worst noise I've ever heard from a DAT drive, mind you. Let's see if it does it this time. Well, of course it won't. No. So inside of there, there's of course the helical head, I think. I might be getting that completely wrong, but the whole point of a DAT drive is that instead of the head, if you're looking at this like if this was the tape, instead of the head going up and down like this, so then your tracks are, like only this big, they actually tilt it, and then it spins like a VCR head. If you've ever taken a VCR apart, that head in there isn't straight up and down, it's off to the side. So that effectively gives you a track this long instead of, this long. So instead of like an 8mm, I think this is a 4mm, it gives you effectively, depending on the degree of rotation, it gives you a much longer track, so you can theoretically cram more data on there. That's the theory. I have no idea if that's in there, but and I don't know if that's what a DAT24 tape drive does, but that head, when it was spinning, made just like ugly noises. So we'll see if this even works. Okay, so we may also have to do some work to see if we can get the tape drive recognized by the backup system. So let's see here. And it has been a very long time since I had to do anything this way. So we went to System Storage Management, then Backup Manager. We want to back up the system. That's interesting. Back up the system to CDs, so it theoretically would know how to use writable CDs. We want to back up to tape in this case. Alright, so what is it saying? Execution of the make sysb command will result in the loss of all material previously stored on the selected output medium. In other words, yeah. This command also only backs up the root VG volume group. So earlier I created that volume group user VG0 for this secondary drive, and this is kind of the point of that, is that we don't ever really want to back that up. It's just kind of not necessary. So backup device, let's see here.